Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am in Barnes and Nobles and we're gonna start off in the kids section. I already kind of walked around and just was browsing around, but they have these cute little lap seats, and then this is called lap pet pillow. This is really cute. This little cute unicorn, the dog, set your tablet on it, and they have more lap seats around this way. The cute unicorn. This one is just blue with that be kind. I have this one, the panda, and looks like a butterfly. Okay, so they have must reads, they have dog diaries, School of Good and Evil, Wonder, all kinds of books. And I was walking back here and I wanted to show you guys these. Fancy Nancy and Selma the Unicorn. Didi, didn't you read this book in school? We're All Wonders.
Yep.
5-Minute Bedtime, Amelia Bedelia. I remember that book. That was one of my favorite. If you give a mouse a cookie. Riley, you like that one too, right? This one? If you give a mouse a cookie?
Yeah.
And they had these books back here. Hair Love. It had a, it was a short film on this one on YouTube. This one, Juno Valentine, A Fantastic Fashion Adventure. Vote for Me. I Believe I Can. Sisters. Bumblebee. Colorful Creatures. Fancy Nancy, 5-Minute Stories. Oh, look.
Look at this. Look at this.
PJ Masks, 5-Minute Stories. What's that? Batman. Ooh, JoJo in a bow.
Can I
Candy
get
Kisses.
this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at how cute this backpack is. Expectational, Ordinary. This one. And this one. More Harry Potter. Death Rising. The Monster Book of Monsters. Some Funko Pop. They have these kind of sitting on the table. The Curse of the Leprechaun. The Night Out of Dogfish. Bud Not Buddy. City of Embers. What's that? The Stars Beneath Our Feet. Time and Tender. The Lions of Little Rock. The Reader of the Month, Young Adult Reader of the Month. It says The Savage Song by Victoria Squab and The Black Flamingo. We also have these here Again and Again. We'll always have Summer. The Summer I Turned Pretty. Curse and Kisses. Most likely. I'll be the one. One of Us Is Next. Oh, they have all of this stuff sitting over here for Pride. Like I said, when I came in, I just walked straight past. They have Book Nerd Pride, Tasty Pride, and the Pop Sockets. The Gay Agenda. All you need is love, Pride. I have this one here in the shirt. All right, over here they have the Kate Spade display. This is really cute. All Occasions gift card set. graduation, happy birthday, just because, get well. They have the Kate Spade notebook. This is really pretty. Right here they have the Kate Spade note cards, a mechanical pencil set, the pens, and the ink pen set. These cute cups, the highlighter set, notebook, the pen holder. They have this little stationery set. Looks like a ruler, the pencil sharpener, pens, notebook, the marker, sticky notes, and the eraser. Another stationery set. Oh, this is cute. It says modern art, Romeo and Juliet, Pride and Prejudice, and Rome. I have more of the cups here. Love is all around. More notebooks and notepads. What does it say? The world was hers. The world was hers and for the reading. And more of the pencil holders. Notepad folio. How cute is this cup? And there's something around here that I wanted to see. They have the clipboard, the cute pens, the notepad. Okay, so they have the clipboard right here, the cute flowers. Oh, this is a clipboard, and it's also a notebook. The keychains, pocket notebooks, notebook, paper rifle card, and these cute cups. The tumbler and the canteen cup. The canteen is $34.99. The tumbler is $32.99. Then they also have it in the cute pink. These cute bags. There and always flowers for those who want them. Oh, look at the cute phone case. How pretty it is. Oh, look at the cute pencils. Have the notepads, on the day, the suede journal, poppy garden flower kit, some cute cups. Love the moment. This is cute. This is $12.99 for this bag. Can you see the glare? Audubon Gardens. More cups and bags. It's cute. This smells so good. When I walked over, I smelled this right away. And they also have the suede journal in green. It's 192 pages. Soft vegan suede cover, 192 pages. Ribbon marker, $16.99. And this cute bag is $24.99. It says lunch break. And the cup to match. And then they have these cute cups. Let's see. And coming around over here, oh, look at how pretty this flower is. It says by Mary Square. Grow food for free. Enjoy the little thing. A cute wine cup. It says 18 hours cold, 9 hours hot. $22.99. The matching cup. $22.99. Then they have the canteen cup. More of the bags. The candles. And then also they have the lunch bag. The candle says Puny Blossom, Sea Salt Breeze, Blooming Gardenia. This is cute. It says notes with a little tassel. It says take note, this combo fits most personalities. Let's see what they have around here. It says Lisa Wingate's The Book of Lost Friends. They just kind of have books scattered out on the table. Harlan Cohen, The Boy from the Woods. Let's see. I wanted to look at, oh, these pens are cute. More of the Stationery by Lily Putzler. That's a wrap. I have some of these lap desks. This one is marble. Oh, the wood one is really pretty. My tag-alongs, move on the go. These book bags, they have it in the black, the blush pink, the green, the black. This is a smaller size. And then this one. This one is 30. How much is the bigger one? The bigger one is 50. I have some candles, sea salt, sandalwood, jasmine iris. What are these? Neroli mandarin, bergamot and mahogany. That's a soil candle. Soy. Wild fig cedar. There's some more of these. Oh, look at this one. Color Theory votive candle set. Gardenia, Older Wood, Saddle Fig, Tonka Noor, Blackberry Amsatine. I know I butchered that up. I let you guys get the picture. And these cute candles. More candles here. Some tote bags. I like big books and I cannot lie. Books, books, books. Baby got books. Let's see. Oh, look at these cute tumblers. These are cute. Me, myself, and coffee. That's really pretty. And the 3D pen writing set. We have some more journals over here. This is a cute journal. Look at these. These are cute too. A cute charging cord and a pencil holder. What's this one say? Stephen King, If It Bleeds.
Who's Stephen King?
The person who wrote It and The Shining.
What else?
So here's some of the new releases. It says, I Was Told It Would Get Easier. The Last Train to Key West. Moonlight Sisters. The Girl at the Edge. Will Landry. Flowers Over the Inferno. Girls Like Us. No Going Back. Patterson. The Scepter Moon. Miss Margot's Missing. The Stroke of Melis. Mimi. Stephanie Inkovich, Under the Table. Undercover Bromance. Ooh, The German Heiress. All of these are new releases. The Lost Orphan. Ooh, that looks interesting. Macy Joelle. Let's see if we can go through some of these new books really quickly. The Red Lotus. There and Flowers. Dominicana, The Silent Treatment. The Gifted School. What does it say? The Trots. Last Couple Standing. A Perfect Explanation. Greenwood. Anna Out of Control. Julia Averts.
No, that's all I can fit. Right there. Wait.
Oh, that was new Stephen King, If It Bleeds. The Splendid. David Boccati. In 5 Years. Jojo Myers, The Silent Patient. The Summer House. Crescent City. Let's see. Code name Helen. The Whisperer's War. The Woman in the Mirror. The Engineers. It's Not All Down Here From Here, a Terry McMillan novel. I haven't read a book in a while. I used to like Terry McMillan. I might get this. Daniel Steele, The Spy. The Two Lives of Lydia Bird. The Glass Hotel. The Starless Sea. What's this one? Zed. What's that, baby? Mary Kay Andrews. The Authenticity Project. Remembrance. Oh, Mary Monroe. This is I used to like to read her books too. Across the Way. That's a very familiar book. A Junior Rod. Christine Phelan, Nora Roberts. Carl Weber. Family Business. I didn't like this series on BT. I didn't care for it. I Love You Still. Lakewood. Watching from the Dark. Felix Francis. We saw that one. Angel Eyes. The Bittersweet Pill. Robert Krass. Randy Wayne. J.D. Robb. A Book of Bones. Fatal Tide. A Conspiracy of Bones. The Last Window. Curious Toys. The Bodies in the Library. The Last Odyssey. The Prized Girl. Pretty as a Picture. When You See Me. Eight Perfect Murders. We just saw that one. The Silent Patient. The Whisperer Man. The Institute. Just Watching Me. Shakedown. The Vanished Birds. Province. The City We Became. Agency novel. Dark Dawn. Ooh. Signed editions. The Unspoken Name. The Doctor Who Stares. Star Trek. Star Wars. The Resistance. Firefly. Okay, so I think we've pretty much looked through everything, so now we can get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough of Barnes & Nobles. I originally just came in to check out the stationery and stuff like that. I hope you guys can hear me because I am whispering because the store is kind of quiet.
Hi.
But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next shopping trip.